Are you ready to witness the future of luxury automotive innovation? Hold on tight, because we're about to introduce you to the Rolls Royce Spectre, a groundbreaking, all-electric marvel that'll redefine your expectations of opulence and performance. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we have some truly extraordinary things in store for you. We're diving into the world of Rolls Royce, a brand synonymous with elegance and refinement, as they unveil their first ever pure electric automobile, the Spectre. With years of meticulous engineering and testing behind it, this two-door coupe is set to revolutionize the luxury electric vehicle landscape. From its stunning exterior design to its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled craftsmanship, the Spectre represents a new era of automotive excellence. So, fasten your seatbelts and join us as we embark on an exhilarating journey through the features, performance, and sheer grandeur of the all-electric Rolls Royce Spectre. But hold on, there's a twist to this exciting ride. As we delve into the world of the Rolls Royce Spectre, we'll also uncover some surprising insights from CEO Torsten Müller-Ötvös himself. You won't believe how the demand for this exceptional EV is reshaping the waiting period, challenging the norms of the luxury car industry. So, let's buckle up and discover the captivating details that make the Spectre worth the wait. According to CEO Torsten Müller-Ötvös, the wait time for this exceptional EV is extending beyond the company's usual 12 to 15 months. In fact, if you place an order today, you might have to hold on tight until 2025 to get your hands on one. We totally understand that waiting years for a luxury car isn't ideal. Müller-Ötvös recognizes this too, affirming that excessively long waits are not what their discerning clients deserve. He emphasized that bad production planning should never result in customers having to wait ages or missing out on owning a Rolls Royce altogether. What's interesting is how the Spectre itself is a culmination of valuable lessons learned from Rolls-Royce's previous electric concepts, the 102EX and 103EX. Müller-Ötvös proudly revealed that they listened attentively to their clients and fine-tuned the production model based on their feedback. With the Spectre, they've achieved a range of 500 kilometers, 311 miles, which they deem sufficient for their clientele. But it's not just about range. The Spectre's design's a delicate balancing act between battery size, range, and the overall aesthetics of the car. Müller-Ötvös acknowledged the importance of getting it just right. They've even taken a fresh approach to traditional Rolls-Royce elements like the iconic Pantheon grille, which now boasts an unmistakable forward-leaning angle, giving it a distinctive edge. So while the wait for the Spectre may be longer than anticipated, rest assured that every extra moment's dedicated to ensuring that your electric Rolls-Royce embodies the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and eco-consciousness. It's a vehicle that's not only changing the game, but doing so with utmost refinement. Now let's dive into the exterior of the extraordinary Rolls Royce Spectre, where innovation and elegance collide in breathtaking harmony. This groundbreaking electric vehicle flaunts a slew of captivating new design elements that set it apart from its predecessors. One of the first things that catches your eye is the split headlight setup, giving the Spectre an edgy and modern aesthetic, coupled with its long curved roofline and sleek contours. This car exudes an air of sophistication that can't be ignored. But it doesn't stop there. Prepare to be captivated by the rear of the Spectre, adorned with striking vertical lights that add a touch of drama and intrigue. And let's not forget about the pièce de résistance, the Pantheon grille. This iconic feature, wider than ever before, commands attention with its 22 LED lights illuminating the way. But it's not just about looks. Rolls-Royce has gone the extra mile to optimize aerodynamics. The vertical vanes of the grille are ingeniously shaped to guide the airflow around the car, reducing drag and enhancing efficiency. Even the famous Spirit of Ecstasy has been aerodynamically optimized, proving that every detail has been carefully considered. In another first for Rolls-Royce, the Spectre proudly sits on 23-inch wheels, making a bold statement on the road. Torsten Müller-Ötvös, the CEO, explained that the decision to retain the Pantheon grille was a deliberate one, as it holds immense significance for the brand. However, this reimagined grille showcases a unique design that no Rolls-Royce has ever seen before, ensuring that the wind gracefully dances around the car rather than interrupting its flow for cooling purposes. With its impeccable aerodynamics and mesmerizing exterior, the Spectre's truly a sight to behold. Platform and dimensions. Moving on to the platform and dimensions of the incredible Rolls-Royce Spectre, we delve into the engineering marvel that underpins this electric masterpiece, aptly named the architecture of luxury. This all-aluminum platform forms the sturdy foundation on which the Spectre is built. Measuring at an impressive 5,453 mm in length, 2,080 mm in width, and 1,559 mm in height, the Spectre commands attention with its striking presence on the road. But it's not just about its grand dimensions. The wheelbase of the 3,210 mm ensures ample space for passengers to luxuriate in sublime comfort. With the architecture of luxury platform at its core, the Spectre not only embodies the signature Rolls Royce opulence, but also benefits from the lightweight strength of aluminum. This results in enhanced performance, improved efficiency, and a truly exhilarating driving experience. Now, let's step inside the enchanting world of the Rolls Royce Spectre, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled luxury. Brace yourself for an interior that'll leave you breathless. The true highlight of the Spectre lies within its cabin, where a symphony of technologically advanced features awaits. Prepare to be mesmerized by the soft glow of 4,796 illuminated lights gently embedded into the door panels, casting a spellbinding ambiance that envelops you in a world of elegance. And let's not forget about the iconic Starlight roof headliner, meticulously handcrafted to perfection. As you gaze above, you'll find yourself captivated by a twinkling constellation of stars, providing a celestial experience like no other. But the Spectre's interior doesn't stop there. The co-passenger side of the dashboard takes things to a whole new level, with the Spectre lettering, beautifully illuminated by a captivating cluster of 5,500 lights. It's a sight that'll undoubtedly leave a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to witness it. From the moment you step inside, the Spectre embraces you in its embrace of luxury and technological innovation. With every detail carefully crafted and every light thoughtfully placed, this interior is designed to transport you into a realm of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Now let's talk about what really powers the majestic Rolls Royce Spectre: its electric motor, raw power, and exhilarating performance. Brace yourself for a thrilling ride unlike any other. Under the hood, or should we say beneath the sleek exterior, all Spectres are equipped with a dual-motor electric powertrain that unleashes an impressive 577 horsepower and a staggering 664 pounds-force-foot of torque. With this formidable combination, the 6,559-pound coupe gracefully accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Now, we know some speed enthusiasts might compare this to the mind-boggling acceleration of the Tesla Model S Plaid. But here's the thing, Rolls-Royce isn't all about blistering speed. Their brand ethos revolves around the art of serene cruising and refined luxury. To ensure that every moment behind the wheel is an experience in tranquility, Rolls-Royce has meticulously engineered the Spectre with adaptive suspension. This cutting-edge feature guarantees a ride that's smooth as silk, isolating you from the outside world with effortless grace. Moreover, the engineers have gone to great lengths to make the cabin a sanctuary of quietude. By incorporating copious amounts of sound-deadening materials, Rolls-Royce ensures that the Spectre remains whisper-quiet, enveloping you in a cocoon of tranquility as you glide through the streets. So, while the Spectre may not be chasing record-breaking acceleration times, it offers a refined and composed driving experience that aligns perfectly with the Rolls-Royce legacy. It's all about savoring the journey, reveling in the serenity, and embracing the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. Get ready to embark on a breathtaking adventure where power, elegance, and serene performance converge in perfect harmony. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through the remarkable Rolls-Royce Spectre. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the extraordinary features that make this all-electric masterpiece truly exceptional. From its captivating exterior design, innovative platform, and spacious dimensions to its enchanting interior with its soft illuminated lights and exquisite craftsmanship, the Spectre embodies the epitome of luxury and technological advancement. So, whether you're a fan of Rolls-Royce renowned heritage or an electric vehicle enthusiast seeking uncompromising luxury, the Spectre's a true masterpiece that combines the best of both worlds. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of automotive excellence.